this is extremely impromptu. Hi, Kathy. You're here. I don't know how close I am. I'm scared. And I think my camera's crooked too. Oh my goodness. Hi, Connie. Totally impromptu here. Seriously, my camera is very crooked. I hope I'm not crooked to you. We are at the lake and my head's chopped off and everything. And do you see my lovely studio here? I'm in the bedroom and this might get choppy. It might get choppy. My lamp is crooked. Anyway, this is not home, obviously, but this is as good as it gets when you're at the lake, and I see that I keep freezing, so I'm going to be really quick. I was working on Christmas cards, and yeah, and anyway, it's been a blast. Although it's a little bit harder here at the lake because I don't have everything that I need, and it's like, oh, I didn't bring that, all that kind of stuff. But it's still exciting to work here. I'm going to bring the camera down. I need to be quick. I keep freezing out and I feel bad. Hang on, girls. We're coming down here with the camera. Okay. Okay, so this is the cutouts from the envelope dies. Okay, so these would be toppers for your envelopes right here. Those guys there are the toppers for your envelopes, and these are the Christmas ornaments. Excuse me, I've got a tickle all of a sudden. And that is a bundle with the ornament envelopes, and this is on this is going out. It's going bye-byes. So, but anyway, I was playing with it, hadn't played with it before, and I thought I better play with this. So I first stamped ornaments using this, and I used my, sorry for my hands here, I used my gold stamp pad. Let me just flip all of these around. So here we go. So there it is. That is using my gold delicata and these stamps, okay? And then I cut them out. And then I took this die and I cut the design paper from the Classic Christmas, okay? See that? All that beauty goodness in there. And I put them, I cut them all, and then I doubled them up with my thread, okay? So I did it that way. And where's my other card? Here's one in silver, and there's the DSP that I used for the backing of this. And I used gold again, and here's the DSP that I used in the back. So this is actually one side and that's the other side. And this was a last minute thought to change it up a little bit. Okay, so then I did those, and here's where I'm going. Here's where my impromptu is going. Then I had the leftover, right, from where I cut my DSP. And I thought, well, I can't let that go to waste. And I don't want to let this go to waste because this is where I initially stamped and then cut them out, okay? So one set, oh no, I'm hooked here. One set of, these are all free-flowing. So one card, I can't talk. One card actually created two kind of very different and the same Christmas card, like the same sort of idea. This sweet little sentiment is from the Curvy Christmases, or Curvy Christmas. That's where that's from. And I put sprinkles on all of this, so champagne mist. But this was where I got so excited that I had to come and do a really quick impromptu, was when I came across the embossing folder and I tucked it away. I was supposed to leave it out. Look at this. I don't know if you can see that texture. I went crazy with the texture that came out of this. Where is that embossing folder? I think it's right here. Hang on, I will be right back. There it is. Painted texture. Oh my goodness, I had such a hard time covering this up. Look at that texture in there. It looks like big gobs of paint, or what's that slurry stuff that they put on a wall? Anyway, that's what got me excited, that I wanted to show you this Christmas goodness that I'm creating here at the lake, in between going for walks and all of that good stuff. So that's all. That is it. So just a really quick hello. I'm going to bring the camera up so I can say goodbye. And hopefully I'm not like super close, like right there. Anyway, thank you so much for popping by and saying hello. I appreciate that. It's been wonderful. I hope I'm not frozen and that you can still see me. Anyway, have a wonderful rest of your day. Be safe, be encouraged, be strong. Thanks for the hearts. I really appreciate that. I'm going to run. We will talk to you later. Bye-bye.